welcome back to another episode of my solo Philippine loop. It's my 10th riding day, time to leave Baler and say goodbye to the sea. I'm heading to Tagaytay. It's around 300 kilometers away, about 7 hours on the road. Passing through Bongabon, then hitting the Expressway to save time.
Tagaytay.
I'm down to my last few days in Luzon.
Good morning. It's 6:10 a.m. Ay ba, may lang. Pa-picture pa ko galit dapat. Wait. Right, we're leaving for Tagaytay. Currently I'm at Baler, Hiraya Baler Beachfront, Cabanas. Amazing matawang view bro. Hindi ko magalin. Shoot po. I think it's August 4 on a Sunday, so there's a lot of people here, pero I gotta go. 4 days bang dia? 2,000 ang idlagan ko sa loop. And there you go, total is 22,000. Alright.
I'm leaving Baler and heading west to Bongabon. A buddy told me the twisties there are awesome. I'm taking the Nueva Ecija Aurora Road, about 80 kilometers through forest and mountains. It's quiet, remote, and perfect for a chill morning ride.
Warm up. Alright, Bongabon na kita. I think this is it. That Bongabon twisties. Woohoo! Oh no, it's sweet. Oh! Oh yeah. Yeah. Yup. Oh. Good morning, matuod. Woohoo! Kapal nila, matamara ka sa pagkikanay, di.
Dear God, I hate to say I'm sorry, but I just want you to love me, even though I still love money. Dear God, I hate to turn the tables on you, but I just had the table.
This route was a blast. Great views, decent roads, just a few rough spots. I'm cruising slow and easy, but hitting this at high speed or in the dark, no way. Crazy to think the BIMC route passes through here.
Alright. We are leaving Aurora Province. Ano? Napamangkot ko. Sila pa, ka-kilometro, pa-kantos na suminahan. May 2 bars na lang ko. What the fuck?
That's it. I'm out of Aurora and I entered Nueva Ecija. It's still early in the morning and riding in the mountains is wonderful. Bad thing is, I'm running out of gas.
Hello, good morning. Nagtugong lang ko diyo. Baka lang ko ang botilyang gas. 82 bars lang gina, so nag-add lang ko 2 liters. Yun yung man. Better than natog gas. So 3 bars lang subong. Yeah, it's okay. Ginagawa ko man ang motor so far. So far okay man siya. Still no being a mistake, you know. Like grabbing that front brake. Ayo, stop. Never grab the front brake, guys. Mga sanay na ko sa ano gusto nyo. Sabog up.
Luckily, I was able to find a store where they sold gas by the bottle. Back on the ride to enjoy the last few kilometers of riding in the mountains at Bongabon. Love riding on these kinds of roads. It's just a nice gentle pace while I enjoy the cool morning sun.
Still have 3 hours and 36 minutes based off kay Google. Hey, nako.
I'm on the highway heading back to the metro. This is one thing that I love about Luzon. You can cover a lot of kilometers by being on the Expressway. But long stretches do get kind of boring after some time. wasn't expecting this section to be in such a rough state. This is dangerous if you were speeding through and couldn't see it on time.
Hello. Good afternoon. It's 11:34. I just stopped here sa I don't know kung ano ni sa basta sa Wendy's. That is like the first stop sa Caltex nga Expressway. I don't know where it is. Pero the plan is still going to Batangas. Now I just filled up my tank and filled up my tummy. All right, now we're good. Still have 3 hours left for the ride. Okay, bye bye. I mean, okay, come with me. All right. Alright, baby, so 3 hours. It's since the okay na Tagawa, no? I don't know where my jacket is. It's really hot and yeah, it's just really hot.
Back on the expressway and just passing through Metro Manila. I'm glad that I'm on a big bike and I don't have to pass through the crowded streets. I can't imagine riding in the metro with this heat.
I said, feel that rhythm, let your mind let go. Picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we had perfected. When the wind changed with all its might, I think we better learn sometime. I think we better learn sometime. Now we're walking through the courtyard and leaves roll over our shoestrings. So we speak of family and love, the only true things. And hope that vanity is dead. The queen says off with its head. We can lay under the clouds, see that would be proud of the men we became. And that our sunrise.
Hello, good afternoon. It's 3:20 p.m. and I'm at or in Tagaytay. There you go. Hello. So, I'm currently at Tagaytay at 10 months ago. I'm currently at Tagaytay. I stayed at Splendido Hotel. To summary of the biyahe kagina from Baler, I traveled like 6-7 hours going to here. 6, I don't know. I took off at around 6:37. So yeah, I arrived siguro here at 1:45 or 2. The plan for today is to just chill for a bit. It's 3:20 in the afternoon. Coming up here, it was kinda trafficy. I think everybody's going home, so that's fine. Today's been fun. The travel wasn't really that hard, pero it rained a bit when I was coming up to Tagaytay. Not too bad. Around just after the toll sa NLEX, I don't know. Yeah, pero just after I get sa toll magsulod gadi sa Tagaytay, it rained a bit. Probably like 10-15 minutes of rain while ka-travel ko. I put on my rain gear as usual. So, this is the room. Bang! But it's so nice, so fancy. Not really just standard room. The room costs $68
regular. Puno. Sa pamphlet, it costs 6K. Woo, look at that. Oh shit, saan po view? Ah, yes. Mas tayo pang view sa Siago para sa kita. I think I'll just do my vlog here. So yeah, this is fun, man. Last 2 to 3 days ko siguro sa Luzon, then back to Iloilo. First kampante ko, kaya gina-credit card ko lang. Pero shit. It's alright. Yeah, so wala na, picnic. Pero kung I'll take a quick shower after sa malakad ko.
Good afternoon. It's 4:53. I'm here at Tagaytay sa Splendido. Sus kabutay-butlay si manaog po, guys. Alright, now we're going to Picnic Grove. Hopefully, bakit si Google pa 40 minutes daw. Grabe, gurong traffic. Kung hindi, wah, grabe, tiso-tiso gitu. As in, tiso-tiso gitu. Wah, budai-budai gitu. Alright. So, hindi ko makita kaya naka-shades ko. Para cool, of course, para cool. Hello, I think nakapuli na tanan. So, ato na ang Tagaytay. Kag tomorrow pagid. Ato pagid kay weekday, buwas. Damo di ka na. No, hay, nako na lang. Hihihi. Kaha. Hello po. Wait lang po. Ano pa?
Tataas po ba bayaran?
Oh, sige.
Parking natin.
Okay po. Thank you.
I'm here at the Picnic Grove. It's one of the best places in Tagaytay to enjoy the view of Taal. It's a lively place filled with people. One of my favorite things to do is just hang out at beautiful places and just enjoy the view. The next day, I decided to head down closer to Taal Lake. I've always seen it from above and I prefer this closer view. Taal Volcano is found in the middle of this lake. It had over 30 eruptions. The latest was in 2020. I was surprised to see fish pens all over the lake. It's used to farm different kinds of fish. but the most special one is tawilis. It's a freshwater sardine and can only be found here in Tagaytay. I said goodbye to sun-kissed beaches of Baler and rode through the winding roads of Aurora, heading straight to Tagaytay. Taal Lake was in full view, and I spent time at the picnic grove, just enjoying the breeze and the crowd. Took a ride down to the lake for a closer look. It was worth the extra night. That was my 10th riding day and a wonderful last few days in Luzon.